In a world where watches chase complexity and speed, MeisterSinger takes the opposite route, calm, minimalist, and single-handed. But this time, the calm just got a little sharper. Introducing the new Kaenos DLC editions, bold modern evolutions of the brand's sport-chic debut model, now wrapped in stealthy black DLC and lit by a golden-yellow sandwich dial that radiates confidence. The 40mm stainless steel case is fully DLC-coated, giving it both toughness and that deep, inky sheen. At just 11.2mm thick, it feels sleek and balanced, with brushed and polished accents that keep things dynamic. And yes, it's ready for everyday life thanks to 100 meters of water resistance. The dial is a masterpiece of contrast, a sunburst golden upper layer, precision cut to reveal luminous white markers and black numerals underneath. That single luminous hand glides gracefully, reminding you that time doesn't have to rush. It just flows. Two models share the stage. The Kaenos features a bold, large date at 6 o'clock. The Kaenos open date reveals MeisterSinger's signature open date ring, giving a glimpse into the movement beneath. Inside, both watches are powered by automatic Solita movements, the SW400 in the Kaenos and the SW200 in the open date, each customized with a black and gold rotor to echo the watch's striking design. For the first time in the Kaenos line, these editions feature a fitted calf leather strap, flush with the case, offered in bright yellow or sleek black. It's bold, it's graphic, and unmistakably MeisterSinger. Limited to just 50 pieces each, the Kaenos DLC and Kaenos Open Date prove that simplicity doesn't mean soft. It can be powerful, precise, and beautifully unhurried. This is the MeisterSinger Kaenos DLC edition. Time redefined in black and gold.